In the figure shown below, D1 and D2 are parallel diodes connected across a voltage source V1. V1 value is not given, but it is stated that V1 is large enough to turn on both the diodes. That is, these two diodes act as a mere short circuit, and these two are in parallel. So there are two shorts in parallel. They are identical in all respects except that they have different areas of cross section. So the question is, will the same current flow through each diode? Now this diode and this diode are acting as a short circuit, or they are acting as a voltage source of value equal to their cut-in voltage. And it also is also stated that they are identical otherwise, means in all respects, that is their cut-in voltage is same. It means that the voltage across these two diodes which are in parallel is same. So will the same current flow these two short circuit branches is the question. ID1 is equal to ID2 is equal to IN by 2. That is, IN is the current flowing through R1 or entering this parallel branch. This current will divide equally into D1 branch and D2 branch when they are on. That is, IN by 2 will flow through D1 and IN by 2 will flow through D2 only when IS1 is equal to IS2. That is, only when the cross-sectional areas of diodes D1 and D2 are same, because the current flowing through the diode is a function of reverse saturation current IS, and reverse saturation current IS is a function of area of cross-section of the diode. But in this question it has been given that they have different, this is a keyword, different cross-section areas. That is, the areas of cross-section of diodes D1 and D2 are not same. So reverse saturation currents are not same, and hence their forward biased current is also not same, even though their voltages are same. Clearly D1 and D2 are on because V1 is large enough to turn on both the diodes. Clearly D1 and D2 are in parallel, so the voltages across them are equal, but still the currents through them are not equal, because diode current depends on voltage across diode, temperature and reverse saturation current. In this case, reverse saturation currents are different because area of cross section are different, and hence diode currents are different. So the answer is same current will not flow through each diode. Reverse saturation current depends on area of cross section, that is the key reason. If they both have same areas of cross section, then IS1 is equal to IS2 and IN by 2 flows through both of them. If you want to have a more detailed picture and you want to know the exact value of current flowing through the diodes D1 and D2, you can use these equations. These equations are derived by using two equations. First one is IN is equal to ID1 plus ID2 by applying KCL at this node. We can also equate the voltages across the diodes D1 and D2. That is, VD1 is equal to VD2. You are getting to get this equation. On solving, you get ID1 and ID2 equation.